Okay, so you have completed your Sharpie part of the assignment onto your plate, your linoleum block. Names on the back with your period number. So what you're going to need to grab is a bench hook. These are trays that are going to be out on the table, so you're going to need to grab these. They have these L brackets, one on either side, and they're opposite of each other. This hooks into the edge of the table, and so that locks it into place. And then because of this, it will help the linoleum block not slide as much. And then you put your linoleum block there. And then finally, you'll need to grab your cutting tools. To use the cutting tools, you just spin this top. Do not spin it all the way out. It loosens this little nut inside. You can see that smiley face. That smiley face is where the non-cutting edge goes into. So this is my cutting edge. This is my thin one. I'm going to put that there for now. On the back end, I simply twist the cap off. And I can get that in there. Inside you'll have a few different tools. Maybe a medium size, and a wide edge, and then one for fine cutting. It looks like a spade. So I'm going to use my wide one. So I just screw this back on. Take this, find that smiley again, there it is, and take the non-cutting side, which is the dull side, fit it into the smile, place it all the way in, twist, and it tightens. Alright. Then I'm going to take this. It's a V-shaped gouge. They're called V-shaped because they're in the shape of a V, as you can see. You can see that little sliver of a shiny. That is the blade. And so the sharpest part is right there. You don't want to get the tips under your linoleum. So remember, you're not trying to cut all the way through. So everything that is blank, no Sharpie, is going to be removed. So you can see it cuts fairly easy. You can do long and just removes it. Now, if this goes under the linoleum, watch what happens if I go under. See, the tips are no longer visible. You can see them, but it's hard to cut. Like I'm having to push pretty hard. That is because I'm too deep. If I back up and I keep those tips on the surface, it's really easy to cut. And so I'm going to remove everything that is not Sharpied. Let's say I need to get in, say that tip is good enough to get in there, so I can do that, right? Even inside, but I'm going to switch this blade because I'm going to try to get around the eye, so you're going to constantly have to maneuver which blade you need. I can turn my plate around. I'm going to just, between the eyes right there, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to get rid of that. So when I'm in a really delicate spot, I'm going to switch my blade to the thin one. And that's all there is to cutting. And you just got to carefully remove all of the non-Sharpied linoleum.